said that one Parsi is an automobile mechanic, two Parsis is an endless argument, and three Parsis are half the Indian industrialists. So today we have three Parsis from the entertainment industry on Showbiz with Wabis. So it's going to be quite a riot. Our first Parsi hails from Surat, and he's been a leading model for brands like Reliance, Lakme, and Raymond's. And he's also been in the top 5 ramp models of our country and made us proud. And like a true Parsi, he has the love for cars and motorcycles, and he has 7 bikes to his collection. He's also been appreciated for his out-of-the-box roles in Holiday and Commando 2, and very soon we'll be seeing him in Race 3 with Salman Khan. The second Parsi hails from Pune, my hometown, and I've known him since childhood. He's also been Grasim Mr. India and made our city very proud. And then he's gone on to becoming a successful television actor, and he's given hits like Mahi Ve, Ek Boond Ishq, Kismat, and Namkaran. And the third Parsi is me, welcoming 2 of our clan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Viraf Feroz Patel and Freddy Daruwala.
Nice looking.
Nice. I was expecting this. If 3 Parsis on a couch, it's going to be insane.
Yes.
That's why I have
This is the historic moment in television history.
exactly
This is the crazy couch.
3 Parsi,
Threesome in a Parsi song.
Yeah.
3 Jawan Parsi.
And half the community.
Do you think we should talk in Gujarati then?
No, I think we should just speak in English.
Yeah, your viewers will be very happy if we talk in Gujarati for sure.
How good is your Gujarati? Mine is not too good.
I studied in Gujarati medium.
Arey, Daru Gujarati is good. And
दारू
yours?
वाला। मेरा गुजराती तो बहुत अच्छा है दिखा। बिल्कुल भी पूछने का नहीं ऐसा टॉक इंग्लिश वॉक इंग्लिश भी करता है।
But मेरा तो अच्छा नहीं है. हम लोग पारसी कॉलेज में रहते थे.
तुम्हारा
लेकिन
क्या
मेरा
अच्छा है मेरे को
weak
पहले
था.
वो बोला।
My English is good. That's why I'm doing Showbiz with Wabi.
English.
Like that.
Let's talk in English, ladies and
Just
gentlemen.
watch your P's and
Let's,
Q's.
Anyway,
so funny.
really. But let's get on to some chit chat. So tell me, guys, how has your journey been in Mumbai? You hail from Surat. You're from Pune. You have a
Yeah.
background of being a sailor. So how has it been for both of you?
You want to go ahead?
तेरा जर्नी more emotional।
तो हम लोग एक काम करेंगे वो दो
जर्नी सुनते सुनते
दो स्टोरी चलाएंगे फिर बीच में एक पॉइंट आएगा जहाँ से शुरू होगा
कैसा मैं था।
कहाँ से
चल, बोल
ये
जल्दी।
स्टोरी शुरू हुई, फिर तुम दोनों की लव स्टोरी कैसे शुरू हुई,
हाँ।
और तुम्हारा जर्नी यू
So
गॉट इनटू फिल्म्स.
you want to know जब we met?
जब we met.
जब we met, I think we started from a pageant called Mr. and Miss University.
अच्छा, there also we were together.
Yeah.
Okay, yes,
Yeah,
I remember
actually,
this.
I think that's where I met.
That's where we
The
this-
long hair,
the long
Freddy
hair.
Daruwala.
Yeah,
I remember
yeah,
that.
As long as yours.
Yes, he has
And
long
your
hair.
texture
and
also.
straighten also.
Straight
I
trim.
remember you, yeah.
And
Then,
I must be honest.
It was
that
in that time, yeah. It was in like in 2000 and I guess we are talking about
November
2004,
2000.
5, yeah.
Exactly, November 2004.
4. That was the time of the contest, yeah.
I must tell you, in that pageant was like an intercollegiate pageant, and Freddie and me had made it to the top 5 or top 3 or something like that, and he had to answer, and I can't get over his answer. So I was asked one question, and I had to speak for a minute, and the audience sort of then started clapping. He said one word, and the audience was in splits. So he was asked that what is the quickest way to a woman's heart?
What is the quickest way to touch a woman's heart?
Yeah.
okay, and what is that?
Freddie takes the mic and he says, "Operation."
I swear, man, that's the quickest way to
Only
touch a
Baba
woman's
can
heart.
say this.
I
Well,
was
why
like,
not? Yeah, that's
मेरे
the
को इतना बुरा लगा, मतलब मेरा जब क्वेश्चन आंसर हुआ, मैं 1 मिनट के लिए वो इंग्लिश में पटर पटर
But
पटर
stop
पटर
cribbing,
करते।
you won that.
Yeah, I won, but I was like, this man
This
gave
man
one
has
word.
won all the
Yeah,
pageants.
yeah,
Yeah, that was just, he was my lucky charm.
We had to actually take mic away from him. Okay, sir, answer हो गया, sir, answer
आंसर हो गया।
और इसने एक ही word.
Then we went on a TV game show also.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God! Even I'm going back in time. I
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
It
this.
was called the
I forgot.
He-Man show.
He-Man show.
Same.
Same. Again, we were boiling
So
down
y'all
to top
just
3.
y'all just coincidentally kept going on the same shows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
And
think कुछ तो है कुंडली में कुछ तारा ऐसा कुछ
वो मैं
जुड़ा
देख
हुआ है।
सकती हूँ आज तक.
The journey began like that, right? And then since then we've been friends, family.
And then again, I came first and he came second in that.
Yeah.
That's just like the previous pageant.
Oh.
Yeah, he won a.
Then Grasim Mr.
he
India
won
happened.
a motorcycle. Then Grasim
Grasim
also,
Mr.
I was
India.
there. He
Yeah.
won that.
Because every time I saw Viraf, because I know him from childhood, of course.
Then I
And I
decided-
would always see this guy in the
Yeah.
pageant. So I thought you all are very good friends.
No,
You
then
don't
I
see
decided
it.
in my life that if I want to
Basically,
move ahead, if I want to move ahead, I don't have to have him around me. He keeps winning things.
He keeps winning all the pageants.
So I said, let me just go back, just finish my studies, whatever I was doing. So I was doing
MBA
MBA then, and
okay,
then
you went back then.
yeah, and then I came back in 2007 where
He went and did that course, How to Win Mr. India. So
Then he won something.
Then I
he
won
came
in 2007.
You were a
yeah.
pageant, I remember.
Yes, yes,
That's
that's
lovely. But
2007, so-
there are so many youngsters watching. So how difficult has it been to settle? Because so many people want to become actors and models. So you all must share that experience.
Who said we are settled?
That's good. You should always be hungry for more. But
No, that's a very nice way to put across. But I'm like, हम लोग settle नहीं हुए, हमको settle
फिर
होना.
भी यार इतना काम किया है life में.
No,
So
of course,
What would you
of
tell the
yeah, I
youngsters?
mean, if you've made it to Wabi's talk show, that means you've really done.
Yeah, exactly.
Seriously.
Wow, I started with you and thanks Viraf. Thank you so much.
But I should tell you this, that I keep telling this to Wabi's every
Yeah,
time.
this he repeats every time.
Everywhere. This is my takya kalam to anybody who knows Wabi's. That if you think Wabi's is beautiful, you have to see her mother. Firoza auntie, if you're watching this, I think you're definitely one of the most beautiful women I've seen in my life.
So anyway, let's not deviate. So what advice would you guys give the youngsters who want to come and, become actors, models, So that's why I said, like, everyone's watching this show.
To put it more politically correct in language, just do your thing. And if it has to happen, it will happen. And don't overthink. I remember there was this time I would sit and watch TV and we'd be like, yeah, he's doing so well for himself. Oh, that actor has done so well. And we would be thinking to ourselves, yeah, actually, maybe we are overthinking. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
you just
I
gotta
think
keep
that's
doing
also, like, I mean, I'm so proud of Wabi. She just didn't think that, oh, what channel am I going to do this show on and who's going to watch it and all. She just went and did her
Just
thing
go
on
for
this
it.
medium.
Be a go-getter.
You have to go with the gut feeling, with your instinct, and never give up. I think that's the key.
This is something Freddie had told me. I
Yeah.
don't know if you remember this.
Yeah, I do.
When I was very down in my life at one time, he had sent me one quote, never, 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 never.
मैंने
never.
तो बोला था उसको तेरे को बोलने कि उसको बोल जरा not to
तुम
give
तो
up.
उसका पीछा
Yeah.
पहले से नहीं छोड़े थे, तुम्हें ही
Yeah.
दिया होगा advice. Anyway,
That time we were a couple.
everyone used to think you all are a
Guys, don't take
couple.
us seriously. There's absolutely a mad.
So there would be a
Baba
time where
conversations
Freddie and
going
me
on,
would
yeah.
go to every party together.
I remember.
Yeah.
And then there would be this socialite called Kishan Mulchandani.
Oh
and mashallah, he's still alive. He's still there.
Yeah,
and-
if
and
he's
we
watching
just haven't-
this, Kishan, we really miss you.
if he would meet Freddie separately after some time, where is Viraf? And if he would meet me, where's your Freddie?
Where is your? Yeah.
I remember this. I was also there with you all in half those parties.
Yeah, so we were the buy one get one free deal.
Yes, until today. But anyway, those are some valuable tips. I would like to ask you guys one question. Tell me honestly, who is a better driver between the two of you? And if given an opportunity, which place would you head to? And if you're given a dream car and you were asked to go out with your spouse or girlfriend, where would you go?
Individually, I don't know about him, but I will go to a different place. I will not go with him.
Where to?
Yeah, I mean, any place where I have my friends with me, becomes like the enjoyable things. As we are talking about Goa and we are giggling so much.
Yeah.
So obviously, a simple place like Goa could also be a lot of fun. So.
And you?
मेरा taste थोड़ा और sophisticated है.
Gracias, Mr. India. Please.
I would like to drive by the European countryside.
But drive properly.
Yeah, with his English British accent, you would like to drive through
With
Europe.
my stiff upper lip Brit.
But as long as you drive properly and it's a left-hand wheeler, so please just be safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, he could be. He's
And-
quite capable of driving on the left-hand side with a left-hand drive.
And also, I haven't taken a romantic drive down Nala Sopara.
Okay, I'm going to get into a second segment now. That's called the
Okay.
skeleton check. So the-
Skeleton check.
Yes. So the skeleton check is something about you. So, Freddie, you socked Akshay Kumar on the nose, of course by mistake. But, and that was on the set of Holiday, your film.
Yes.
But a veteran that he is, he assured you it happens and it was cool. So tell me frankly what really happened.
There was an action sequence where I had to turn and I had to hit him. Okay, and I actually hit him.
But I'm sure you must have learned a lot from him, right?
Of course, a lot of things. See, that's the fun when you work with such an experienced actor. I'm not saying he's senior, but he's a very experienced actor and he's a phenomenal guy.
I'm sure. And you were phenomenal in Holiday.
Yeah, thank you.
We all loved you. And I keep watching the film now, also it comes on TV so often.
Thanks.
Anyway, Viraf, coming to you. So Viraf, you have, I think, been a jack of all trades. You're working on a lot of things. I believe you're making documentaries, you're developing an app for Parsis, and frame your idea for Fiki, acting, modeling, what not. So, are you enjoying this, or you want to ever feel like going back to the Navy?
I don't think I'll be able to go back to the Navy because I just love what I do. इतना मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे सब कुछ करने में और I think all these things are happening because I can't sit at home
Idle.
And as actors, you get a lot of time to sit at home idle at times when you're not auditioning. You know.
Yeah.
And that's how all these things
But
happen.
fill me in, you're making an app for Parsis.
So that app is sort of a social networking app for Parsis. The idea started out as a Tinder and LinkedIn for Parsis, and it's called Apro app, and you guys are invited on it.
Apro
Please.
app?
Yeah.
It's called Apro app.
Whoa.
Yeah. Then coming to the documentary is something that I started in 2013.
Okay.
And it's based on daughters of sex workers. So we finished shooting and we're
Oh
working on
wow,
the post.
that's a very intense topic.
Yeah, it is very intense.
That's nice.
It's very intense. It was a very intense experience to be with them as well.
And
very
when is it
deepening.
releasing?
So I hope the coming 2018 we're able to take it to the audiences. So
That's really nice.
so
Very
that's-
good
that's-
initiative.
Yeah,
Looking forward to it.
yeah. I am also looking forward to it. And
We all are.
yeah.
And anyway, Freddie, you are one of the best dressed men in the industry. So tell me something, how many shoes do you own?
It doesn't matter how many number of shoes you have. Just make sure that whichever you have take you to the right place. I guess that's
Oh
more
my God.
important.
So
Okay.
his wife Crystal must be having like 4-5 pairs. He must be having 45.
My
no,
God.
Getting there.
Almost double. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
वो सोसाइटी में सब उससे तो जूते लेते हैं जूते फ्रेडी
I
हम
can
लोग ये जूता
actually
पहन के
start
जाएंगे।
I can actually start a showroom for shoes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be
Okay.
called Triumph.
Yeah.
But that's an interesting fact to know about Freddie.
Yeah.
Shoe fetish. He should be fetish Darwala. Shoe fetish
Okay.
Darwala. Well, bad joke, no? We can always edit.
edit. Ready, laugh, na?
Yeah. I'm ready.
I have another bad joke.
No.
How
We-
do you
we can't
how do
digest
you how do you wish a bootlegger of Freddie Darwala? How do you greet a bootlegger of Freddie Darwala?
How?
You say hi HIGH.
I'm laughing because it's such
So
a
bad,
one.
no? That's us, yeah.
I'm not
How do you
laughing
think
at
you've
your
been friends with us?
joke.
Because we crack bad jokes.
I'm not laughing at your joke at all. It's getting into another segment called the confession box. We will have an open surgery, okay, open heart surgery section, a box of truth. So you guys better tell me the truth, okay? But nothing to worry about.
Already pasine chhut raha. Okay, yeah, please go on.
Okay, well, I already asked you this question, but yes, this Apro app, the Parsi connector developed by you, was it inspired by the idea of getting a Parsi girl for yourself?
It was thanks to a boy in UK, and you've also met him. Remember that friend of mine who stays in the UK? And
Okay.
I tried to fix him up with some girl in Bombay because
Okay.
he genuinely came from UK twice a year to look for Parsi girls.
Okay.
So I said, shit, if there is an app where he can just connect with them.
Poor chap loved coming to India twice in a year and he just stopped.
Now
Like,
his-
"Abhi tum app use karo, yahan par mat aana."
Okay, Freddie, there's a lot of confusion regarding your name. Like, some people think your name is Parad, some people think your name is Freddie.
Yeah.
So, but I've always known you as Freddie. What is
Yes.
this confusion?
No, so you were right.
What?
It's Freddie Daruwala. Actually, the thought generated when in my vanity van, nobody, even when I'm doing race 3, yesterday on my vanity van, my name was written as Freddie and not Freddie. It is Freddy.
Because we Indians like things free.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Anyways, moving on to Virat.
Yeah, so it is Freddie Daruwala.
Okay, the confusion is clear.
Yeah.
It's Freddie Daruwala. I have a very interesting question for both of you.
Yes.
Since you all both are like more than 6
You
feet
asking us
tall.
an interesting question is very,
Yeah.
very
You all
important.
both are
for us.
more than 6 feet. You all are very tall. So tell me 5 advantages of being so tall.
दो तो मैं अभी बता सकता हूँ. You can look down upon people. Two, you can befriend girls by saying कि आपके घर में जो भी बल्ब है हम बदल देंगे. तो वो एक दो तो मैं बोल तू दो और बोल.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have any interesting things to say, but
Come on, Freddie, you're so tall.
you can walk the ramp.
You can walk
You
the
can
ramp.
walk the
Okay,
ramp.
nice
Walk the
one.
ramp, yeah.
And
And any girl would want to be with you because they can wear heels as high as they want.
It's very
nice.
practical, yeah.
Practical
Yeah.
thinking.
Very practical.
Okay, well, that's been a super fun chit chat. I'm going to get this one small game I'm going to get into. It's called acting shakting. Okay?
Okay.
So brace yourselves. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm
Should I
bracing
start with you?
Yeah, very bracing.
Okay, Viraf, you have to sell an acting course to Freddie.
Acting course to Freddie.
Yeah, like somewhat implying that he needs to, try to improve or something.
Very simple. Like, भाईजान, आपने अक्षय कुमार के साथ काम कर लिया. अब आप सलमान के साथ काम कर रहे हो. हमारे पास एक कोर्स है जिससे आप करके आमिर खान के साथ भी काम कर सकते हो. Simple. And the cost is 5,603 rupees. Offer I gave to Wabis is there, but you just pay us 2,000 rupees.
Okay, where can I sign up?
Wow! Yeah,
Sold.
you sold.
Sold.
Freddie, इतना तो क्या हो गया? You got sold so fast.
Amir Khan.
Okay, so he already finished his situation, your situation. If you're traveling in the back seat of a sharing cab and a male co-passenger makes a pass at you, what will your reaction be? You can like it also if you want.
Yeah, exactly.
So, okay, now the car is moving. Can't you see?
I'll drive.
Yeah, you're looking here and driving fast. What is this car? Okay, I have to make a pass at you. Obviously, I'll make a pass at you. You look so happy next to me.
भैया आपके vibrations लग रहे हैं मुझे.
अब क्या करूँ?
थोड़ा कम वाइब्रेट कीजिए. मुझे वाइब्रेशन में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
अच्छा नहीं, सॉरी. अब ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो?
नहीं मैंने आपको बताया ना मुझे वाइब्रेटर में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, हम वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं. साइलेंट पे भी जा सकते हैं.
वही रहिए ना, आपको वही समझा रहा हूँ मैं कब से कि साइलेंट रहिए.
क्या ठीक है. अच्छा, now passengers gone to sleep.
अरे भैया देखिए तकिया वहाँ पे भी मिलेगा, वहाँ पे रहिए.
Sorry.
ठीक है. उन्हें तक कैसा रहे.
But this is how inhumanly you would treat a co-passenger.
Of course man, you're touching me. Two more moves and one
Driver,
slap.
गाड़ी रोको. Driver, अभी गाड़ी रोको. Please stop the car.
Okay.
I want to get off. I'm not sitting next to this rude.
अरे भैया इन्हें जहाँ
man.
लेडी सीट पर बिठा लीजिए इन्हें.
No, I don't like
I
this.
don't know whose situation this is. Freddie, I think you're really liking it.
You just gave him another chance to touch me and feel me.
Oh God, don't give fuel to those rumors. Okay, I'm judging. You better remember that.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you guys one more situation that will decide the hamper. So Viraf, Freddie has left you alone in the room with a ferocious dog. And you are trying to pacify it by making a conversation with it.
Wait, is the dog or it's him? Who needs to be pacified?
Yeah, I will need pacification.
Whatever, no, you're damn scared. It's a ferocious dog. You have to pacify it, no?
You're the dog.
What are you doing?
Nick. Don't scare me like that. Yeah. Freddy's also not around.
Such a cute dog, man. You might as well play with.
I know. Listen, I can show you something, doggy.
You show the bum. What are you going to do?
Should I remove my jacket right now, doggy? See. Look, doggy. See. Doggy, see. Freddy ka kutta hai na, it will get attracted.
Surely biting you.
Yeah.
Great. Good effort, boys. And one
If it is
more.
Freddy's pup.
Achha, so he's partial.
Of course.
One more situation and that will decide the hamper. So Freddie, give it your best. You have just won the Oscar. And while giving your Oscar speech after winning the Best Actor award, a fly is continuously bothering you.
Can I play the fly?
And you turn really angry and abusive.
Freddy, this is the Oscar.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm the fly.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for such an honor. And I feel very privileged that right now I'm not only sharing this award with you all, but there's a beautiful fly around here,
He's not irritated only.
and it makes it gives me amazing feeling. There are people and flies to celebrate. So thank you, universe. The whole universe, I feel, is celebrating. I'll hug the fly. I'll kiss the fly.
Okay, this guy really
Together
loves
we fly.
He really loves you. I told him to get irritated. He was not irritated at all.
But why I was like, what do you want? What do you? I chat. ये हुंडा का है?
वो सब छोड़ो, फ्लाई का एक्सेंट सुना क्या?
Yeah.
अमेरिकन फ्लाई था.
तुमको सिचुएशन क्या बोला था मैंने?
अरे अच्छा speech दिया.
Irritating क्यों होना है?
अरे वो सिचुएशन था. But anyway, good try,
क्या
guys.
क्या creativity थी ना Fabi? Like she thought of the Oscar and the fly.
Oscar and the fly, exactly, man.
Okay,
Right,
so after this super entertaining round, I have to announce the winner.
अच्छा.
I'm going to give this hamper to Mr. Viraf Firoz Patel.
Thank you.
Heroes कौन है भाई?
Papa.
हाँ पापा.
Well, this is for you, Viraf. Wishing you
Oh, that's
a
exciting.
good health
Let
and
me
a
just
good
see
life.
what's in. What have I lost?
It's like giving to the same
It's quite a fancy.
See?
same family.
What?
Giving the hamper to the same
Yeah,
family.
you boys can share it.
यार ये तो वो रईसों वाली चीज दे दी इसने यार.
Yay! I hope you guys like it.
I love it.
It's
I
from
think
health culture.
yeah, it's from health culture.
Yeah. One serious question. What is your health culture?
Health culture. Well, these days actually I'm doing a lot with my food and my head and everything.
Head?
Yeah. As in what kind of thoughts I put in the head, like how we look after what food we put into our body. I think thoughts are like food for the mind, right?
Okay. And you,
Let's see.
Freddie?
See, I think if I look back and in my life, one of the best results that I've got is by not overthinking so much and just exercising and working out, and that's what I love. I play a lot of sports and everything.
And one more question to both of you. How important is your smartphone in your life?
You want to answer this one? I have a grouse with him that he.
Yeah,
is-
he has a problem with me that
I think he's
I
as
spend a
smart.
lot of time with my phone, but which I have listened to and I have started spending less time with my phone.
Great. And for you?
I've started a new rule in my life. I will not look at the phone for 1 hour after I wake up.
Nice. And on that note, we need to call for a centric selfie moment.
Oh wow!
Anyway,
अच्छा, before we end, I want to tell you something very sincerely and seriously, जो मैंने पहले नहीं कहा है. I think we don't tell you often how proud we are of you.
aww.
Yeah.
I think
Thank
we
you.
make a lot of fun of you and we pull your skirt and leg every time. But we don't tell you how often that how proud we are of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, the show is already doing very well, and we see a lot of episodes of yours.
the Karan Johar of Indian television.
Oh,
female
no,
Karan.
no,
It's like there is coffee with Karan in cinema.
कोई
and there is
comparison नहीं, sorry,
showbiz with
Karan
Wabis.
sir.
Coffee with Karan, no fee with Wabis.
You know, all my friends are calling me. They're like, bro, we want to get on to Wabis' show. मेरा भाव बढ़ गया, बता है.
Wow, wow, wow.
And soon Karan will be telling, yeah, I want to go on Wabis' show.
Wow, inshallah. So yeah, since you all have done so much of my tareef today, which I can't digest after ages. And when you wake up, I have one more little thing to give you both. This is for you, Freddie.
What
This
is
is for
this?
you, Viraf. It's a 1-year organic supply from the Bombay Natural Company.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah, एक साल का राशन.
Wow.
Bombay Natural Company. Thank you, Wabis. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Bye, boys. Are you going to hug me this time?
Kind of.
Thanks, yeah. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, actually.
Just shut up. This time you guys better hug me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Wabis. We're proud of you.
So much. Baby.
Achha, where will Wabi? Will she leave or not? I mean, you're not. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry, you're
she
sure.
leave.
No, but wait. Don't you live with us? Or
No,
you just leave
you can't
separately?
take
You
the
come with
host.
us. Come.
You can't take the host
Achha,
home.
this is
but how
Finale
can
of Wabi's Showbiz with Wabi's, and she's going with us.
Watch it on Indian Wikimedia. Watch it on Indian Wikimedia. Bike है मैं मेरे पास bike है.
Health isn't just about eating. What you're thinking and what you're saying is equally important. Presenting the all-in-one healthcare app, Health for You, truly is. Download the app and stand a chance to win an autographed mug by your favorite celebrities, Viraf Firoz Patel and Freddie Daruwala. anytime. Download Box 8. Order food online. Did you see Shaka Laka Boom Boom?
लाइक हमारे घर पे वहाँ क्या होता था, हमारी मॉम्स जो है वो ये बोलती थी कि पहले अपना होमवर्क खत्म करो, होमवर्क खत्म होगा तो हम शाकालाका बूम बूम देखने देंगे।
Oh
तो
my God.
होमवर्क खत्म करते थे और फिर हम शाकालाका बूम बूम देखते थे और हम वो सारी पेंसिल्स खरीदते थे कि यार हम कुछ ड्रॉ करेंगे। तो मैं बट आई नेवर थॉट दैट क्यूट चबी किड विल बी माय बॉयफ्रेंड। ये रे पाऊसा तुला देतो पैसा, पैसा झाला खोटा, पाऊस झाला मोठा.
Hi guys, this is Kinshuk Vaidya
And this is Shivya Pathania,
and you're watching us on Showbiz with Babis, and watch it only on
IndianWikimedia.com.